guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's another spring summer makeup look, and I don't know what it is. Maybe it's this new setup, maybe it's the lights, I don't know, maybe it's just the look itself, but I am feeling cute. So we have pink eyeshadow and blue eyeshadow, and my inspiration was I say back in the day. It was like last year, the year before last, when Desi and Katie came out with their FRIENDCATION palette, and Katie had on pink eyeshadow and, you know, blue eyeshadow from their palette. So I was inspired by that look, and so this is me recreating it. Unfortunately, I do not have their palette, so I just had to work with what I had, but I am really liking this look. And I don't know if it's the lighting, but I'm actually looking like my actual skin tone now, because I know I'd be looking like a ghost in a lot of my videos, but this is what I actually look like. I actually have some color. So yeah, if you want to know how I got this eye look, then keep on watching.
So this is a very simple look. So first I used a Makeup Forever single shadow in M853 Neon Pink, and I used that as my transition color. And I also used my bronzer shade to blend out the edges of this look after I was done. And if I sound a little weird, it's because I have a really bad sore throat. I'm actually really sick, but I wanted to get this look out too because it's super cute and super appropriate for summer. So for my crease, I'm using the exact same neon pink shade, and just using a smaller, denser brush to build it up into my crease. Next, to cut my crease, I used a ColourPop concealer in white. This is obviously the very first shade of concealer that they have. I don't have it in front of me, so I don't know the actual number, but I mean, it's kind of hard to miss. It's literally a white concealer. So I'm using that to cut my crease, and then directly on top of it, I went in with the shade Hot Spring from the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. And I'm just placing that directly on top of the concealer that I laid down. And then I'm going back in with that neon pink shade from Makeup Forever, just to blend out the edges. And when you mix the blue and the pink, it makes this a nice purple transition. So that's why it looks like I have purple eyeshadow in my crease. So I applied a small wing, and of course I did my mascara. So on my bottom lash line, I first went in with this LA Girl eyeliner in Cobalt Blue. And then I set it using the Hot Spring shade, once again from BH Cosmetics. And then I blended everything out once again with the neon pink look. And I brought it down a little low, so I'm using a makeup wipe to clean it up. And that's pretty much the look after you add bottom lash mascara.
Okay guys, that's it for this video, and I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up and press the subscribe button down in the description box so you don't miss any more content from me. And I hope to see you in the next video. I don't know why I feel so silly. I don't know. It might be because it's a nice day. It might be because my makeup is popping. I don't know. I just feel really cute. Okay, I'll see you in the next one.